Have you ever wondered why certain South Korean inventions quietly conquer global markets while others remain hidden gems for years? South Korea has perfected the art of transforming everyday challenges into brilliant, profitable innovations. And that's precisely why they stay decades ahead of the world. It's not just cutting-edge technology, it's the mindset of turning ordinary moments into smart business opportunities that generate massive returns. Right now, a powerful wave of innovation is reshaping the entire Asian economy and creeping into Western markets faster than ever before. From automated food preparation systems to compact smart devices handling tasks people no longer have time for, Korean innovations are revolutionizing how people manage their homes, businesses, and daily routines. Here's what's shocking. Many of these machines still haven't penetrated Western, Middle Eastern, or African markets, which means anyone who moves quickly can tap into a massive, underserved global demand with minimal competition. Number 15. Korean Smart Glass Noodle Making Machine, Dongmyeon Bot. Korean glass noodles are beloved across Asia. Traditional production is labor-intensive and time-consuming. Korean engineers created fully automated machines that prepare, cut, and package dongmyeon in perfect portions. Cost is $3,000 to $8,000. Daily output is 500 to 1,000 servings. Profit margin is 60 to 75%. These machines work perfectly for Korean restaurants, cloud kitchens, food courts, and even export businesses. One unit can generate $1,500 to $2,500 monthly income. You can target restaurants, grocery stores, or even direct-to-consumer meal delivery services with premium packaged noodles. Number 14. AI-powered Kimbap Assembly Robot. Kimbap is Korea's answer to sushi rolls, nutritious, colorful, and Instagram-worthy. Korean manufacturers created robots that precisely arrange rice, vegetables, proteins, and pickled items into perfect cylinders. These robots maintain consistency that human staff cannot achieve. Investment range is $4,500 to $12,000. Per unit cost is $1.20 to $1.80. Retail price is $5.50 to $9.99. Revenue potential is $2,000 to $4,500 weekly from a single unit. Perfect for busy food courts, airports, universities, and meal prep companies. The machine handles the monotonous work while you focus on sales and marketing. Premium kimbap boxes with custom fillings can command even higher prices. Number 13. Korean Skincare Essence Mixing and Packaging Machine. South Korea dominates the global skincare market. Beauty entrepreneurs often source ingredients separately and need custom formulation. Korean machines automatically mix serums, essences, and hydrating solutions according to custom recipes, then fill and seal bottles in seconds. Equipment cost is $2,800 to $6,500. Production speed is 200 to 400 bottles per hour. Ingredient cost per bottle is 60 cents to $1.20. Selling price is $8 to $16 per bottle. Profit per bottle is $6.80 to $14.40. Launch a premium skincare brand from your garage. Sell online to beauty salons, spas, or cosmetic retailers. The beauty market's explosive growth means endless demand. Social media marketing is nearly free. Just showcase before-after results. Number 12. Korean Bibimbap Robot for quick service restaurants. Bibimbap requires careful arrangement of multiple ingredients. Korean tech companies developed robots that portion rice, vegetables, proteins, and sauce with precision every single time. Restaurant owners love this because consistency equals customer loyalty. Machine cost is $5,000 to $15,000. Meal prep time is under 60 seconds per bowl. Cost per bowl is $1.80 to $2.50. Selling price is $7 to $11. Daily revenue potential is $2,000 to $3,500. Perfect for food courts, malls, university cafeterias, and busy commercial areas. The robot never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and never complains.
Low labor costs mean massive profit margins even during slow hours.
Number 11. Korean egg boiling and peeling automation. Korean convenience culture demands quick, healthy snacks. Egg boiling machines perfectly cook eggs to precise doneness levels, then automatically peel them. These gleaming white orbs are then packaged for immediate sale. Equipment investment: $1,500 to $4,000. Production capacity: 2,000 eggs daily. Cost per egg: $0.08 to $0.15. Retail price per egg: $0.5 to $1.20 per egg. Daily profit: $700 to $2,100. Stock vending machines in gyms, offices, and convenience stores. Partner with health-conscious influencers. Customers pay premium prices for quick protein sources. This is passive income at its finest. Set it up once and watch money flow consistently. Number 10. Korean vertical hydroponic garden system. Urban farming in South Korea is incredibly sophisticated. These AI-controlled vertical systems grow lettuce, herbs, microgreens, and vegetables year-round using 95% less water than traditional farming. Perfect for cities without agricultural land. Startup cost: $6,000 to $18,000. Daily production: 50 to 100 kilograms of fresh produce. Ingredient cost: minimal. Water plus nutrients equal $5 to $10 daily. Wholesale price to restaurants: $6 to $12 per kilogram. Daily revenue: $300 to $1,200. Target high-end restaurants, grocery chains, and health-conscious consumers. Organic, local, pesticide-free produce commands premium prices. You can scale from 1 unit to 10 units gradually, creating a multi-million-dollar vertical farming empire. Number 9. Korean Smart Laundry Pod Dispensing Machine. Laundry detergent pods are convenient but expensive. Korean companies created machines that dispense exactly the right amount of liquid detergent into reusable pods, giving customers perfect doses every time at a fraction of traditional prices. Machine cost: $2,200 to $5,500. Dispense unit cost: $0.15. Retail price per pod: $0.75 to $1.50. Revenue per machine daily: $150 to $400. Install in laundromats, apartment buildings, and car washes. Offer monthly subscription models for regular customers. This is eco-friendly and profitable, a winning combination that customers actually care about. Number 8. Korean Premium Street Tteokbokki Serving Robot. Tteokbokki, or spicy rice cakes, is Korea's beloved street food. However, serving at high volumes requires coordination. Korean vendors created compact robots that cook tteokbokki, portion it into paper cups, and top with sauce and toppings, all in 40 seconds. Equipment cost: $3,500 to $9,000. Per serving cost: 70 cents. Retail price: $3 to $5. Profit per serving is $2.30 to $4.30. Estimated daily sales: 200 to 400 servings equals $460 to $1,720 daily profit. Perfect for night markets, food festivals, busy pedestrian zones, and university areas. Street food businesses with zero restaurant overhead and minimal staff create incredible margins. One machine in a high-traffic location could generate $15,000 to $25,000 monthly. Number 7. Korean AI Beauty Mirror and Skincare Analysis System. These mirrors use advanced imaging to analyze skin condition, recommend products, and even display augmented reality makeup previews. Customers see their skin problems highlighted, making them want to buy solutions immediately. Investment: $4,000 to $8,000 per mirror. Installation locations: beauty salons, spas, dermatology clinics, and high-end malls. Revenue model: commissions on product sales plus subscription software fees. Average commissions: 20 to 40% on skincare products sold. Monthly revenue per mirror: $800 to $2,000. This is pure genius. The mirror essentially sells products for you. Customers trust the technology and buy immediately. Salon owners report 35 to 50% increase in product sales after installing these mirrors. Number 6. Korean Smart Kimchi Fermentation Chamber. Kimchi requires precise temperature and humidity control during fermentation. Korean makers created intelligent chambers that monitor and adjust conditions automatically, ensuring perfect fermentation every single time, reducing spoilage to nearly zero. Chamber cost $3,200 to $7,500. Batch size 20 to 50 kilograms per chamber. Daily production capacity 2 to 3 batches. Cost per kilogram $2 to $3. Wholesale price $8 to $12 per kilogram. Daily revenue $320 to $1,200. Start a kimchi export business. Restaurants worldwide pay premium prices for consistent, high-quality kimchi. You could build a multi-unit operation quickly, exporting to North America and Europe, where demand is surging.
Number 5. Korean convenience store micro-fulfillment robot. These robots work in small warehouse spaces, automatically retrieving products from shelves, packaging items, and preparing them for a delivery or pickup. One robot replaces 3 to 4 human warehouse workers. Robot cost $15,000 to $35,000. Labor savings monthly $3,000 to $6,000. Payback period 3 to 6 months. ROI 100 to 200% annually. Target small convenience store chains, quick commerce companies, and meal delivery services. These robots solve the critical labor shortage problem while dramatically improving fulfillment speed. Customers get deliveries in 30 to 45 minutes instead of hours. Number 4. Korean fried chicken pressure cooking automation. Korean fried chicken is a global phenomenon. Achieving consistent crispiness and cooking time is challenging manually. Automated pressure fryers with AI sensors cook chicken to perfect golden brown perfection every single time. Equipment investment $5,000 to $12,000. Batch capacity 200 to 400 pieces per hour. Cost per piece 80 cents to $1.20 per piece. Retail price $3.50 to $5 per piece. Profit per piece $2.30 to $4.20 per piece. Peak hour revenue $500 to $800 per hour. Franchises of Korean fried chicken restaurants are exploding globally. Automating this key operation means you can operate with skeleton crews while maintaining quality that keeps customers coming back. Minimal training needed. The machine does the thinking. Number 3. Korean Mobile Smart Vending Pod Network. South Korea perfected vending machines decades ago. Modern Korean smart pods accept mobile payments, feature AI inventory management, temperature control, and real-time stock monitoring. Operators manage entire networks from their phones. Pod cost $1,200 to $3,500 each. Inventory value per pod $400 to $800. Daily revenue per pod $150 to $300 average. Monthly profit per pod $2,000 to $4,500. Place 50 pods across a city and you have a passive income machine. Strategic placement in offices, malls, transit hubs, and tourist zones creates redundancy. Even if some pods underperform, the network averages strong returns. Scaling to 100-plus pods creates six-figure monthly income.
Number 2. Korean Personalized Meal Prep Vending System. Customers insert a card, input their dietary preferences, keto, vegan, low-carb, high-protein, and the machine automatically portions a completely customized meal in 90 seconds. Uses AI to track nutritional content perfectly. System cost is $8,000 to $18,000. Meal cost to produce is $2.50 to $3.50. Selling price is $8.50 to $12.99. Daily transaction potential is 150 to 250 meals, which is equal to $1,275 to $3,247 daily revenue. Profit margin 60 to 70%. Install in gyms, corporate offices, universities, and hospitals. Health-conscious customers gladly pay premium prices for perfectly tailored nutrition. One unit can generate $40,000 to $100,000 annually. Scale to 5 units and you're running a 7-figure business. Number 1. Korean instant customizable beverage robot, boba tea and coffee. Korean innovation meets beverage culture. These robots brew perfect coffee, prepare boba tea, add custom syrups, select ice levels, and shake cocktails, all in 45 seconds with zero human intervention needed. Robot investment, $6,500 to $15,000. Drink cost to make, 80 cents to $1.30. Retail price, $4.50 to $7.99. Profit per drink, $3.20 to $7.19. Peak hour output, 100 plus drinks per hour. Daily revenue potential, $2,200 to $4,500. The boba tea craze is global and still accelerating. Robots eliminate the need for trained baristas while actually improving consistency and speed. Customers fascinate themselves watching the robot work. It's entertainment and product combined. Every TikTok video is free marketing.
Why these Korean machines work so powerfully? South Korean companies obsess over three things. Labor efficiency. Korea has aging population and high labor costs. Solutions must reduce human workers. Quality consistency. Customers notice when products vary. Machines never have bad days. Speed and convenience. Modern consumers want everything now. Machines deliver instantly. These aren't just gadgets, they're solutions to real problems that customers will pay premium prices to solve. Success isn't about chasing every trend. It's about spotting genuine opportunity before the crowd discovers it. These Korean innovations represent exactly that. Proven business models already generating massive revenue in Asia, waiting for someone smart enough to introduce them to your market. If even one idea sparked your interest today, research deeply, contact suppliers, get pricing, understand logistics, create a detailed plan, calculate ROI, identify your target market, plan your launch. Move within this week. Every day you wait, someone else might move first. Want detailed supplier links, price breakdowns, import logistics, and a quick setup checklist for any of these machines? Comment "I'm ready" below and I'll send you the complete business guide with vetted suppliers, hidden pricing, and step-by-step launch instructions. If you found this valuable, please like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for weekly business breakdowns. We're aiming for 50,000 subscribers. Comment which machine excites you most. Share with entrepreneurs who need this. Your support means everything. Let's build something meaningful together.